Hi Cancer, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we are going to check out your energies for mid-month of August 2021, starting from 15th till 31st of August, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus sign. In this video I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies. So this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Okay. If you want to book a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page, The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below, so you can DM me over there. Okay. All right. For my Cancer, what is going on with my Cancers? Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus from 15th of August till 31st of August 2021. Cancer. So the obstacle for you in the mid-month is the Seven of Wands. And the overall energy for you is the Emperor. Okay, so let's see. All right, so with the obstacle with the Seven of Wands over here, my dear Cancers, it is looking as if you are struggling for something. You might be struggling, or you might be wanting, you might be fighting for yourself or your beliefs, for your needs, for something which you possess a lot. Okay, so you are fighting over here, and that is why it has come up in the obstacles part. The overall energy with the Emperor is telling us that yes, you are really fixed for that thing. You are not going to turn. Whatever you are fighting, you are stubborn for that situation. You are like no means no. Okay, so you're not going to compromise in that situation, not anymore. You have already compromised a lot. Not anymore you're going to compromise in whatever the situation is. Let me see what more energies are there for you. We have the Five of Wands in your overall energies. The Empress energy is here. Son of Pentacles, Justice, the World. Okay, so yeah, I think you have already fought for the situations. You have had the arguments, you have had fights, everything has been done, and now you are like, I'm done with the past, I'm done with the situation, and I do not want to talk to you about it or talk to anyone about the situation. You were there as the Empress energy, because the Empress and the Emperor are there over here. So yeah, the fixed energies have come up from the positive energies only. You used to be blossoming, always like, I'll be maintaining, I'll be doing everything, whatever you want from me, I will be doing it. But when you found out that it's of no use, you stopped doing that. Son of Pentacles, so this is the Knight of Pentacles. Yes, you are really somewhere, I think you are the one who was loyal in the situation. You were the one who was like wanting to continue the situation, but I don't see that thing happening from the other part. Justice and the World. There are some lessons which are needed to be learned, and you are already in the process of learning those lessons. In the past, we have the Ten of Wands, Three of Pentacles and the Tower. The situations went really bad as in the past. That is what is coming up over here. And you have tried to mend that situation, you tried to work on that situation a lot, but it is of no use. Not anymore in the past energies, and that is why you are ready to fight for yourself, because there was a time when you used to fight for others. Now you are wanting to fight for yourself. In the present, we have the Son of Swords, Ace of Wands and the Eight of Pentacles. Yeah, you really are working hard, Cancer. You have some new ideas, new actions are required. You want to work on yourself, your beliefs. You are growing from within now. You are done with it. Knight of Swords. The fights have been done, everything has been done. You are really stricter now for yourself. Sometimes you are taking some actions, like all of a sudden you are just not thinking about anything and you are taking some kind of actions, but it seems like you are taking those actions, you are taking some decisions for yourself, not for anyone over here. In the future, we have the Five of Swords, Six of Wands, and the Son of Cups. Because of the things which you are doing, because of, see how busy you are, like a spider who is busy cobbing his web. You are busy like that right now. You are busy making your money, pentacles, finances, career, whatever you are trying to build up yourself. You might be working on yourself, your beliefs, spirituality. Okay. In the future, you might feel that somewhere, or you might see that people around you are not very good. People are trying to cut you off. People are trying to just, there are betrayals which are happening, something like that. But it will be like of no use, because for you, it's like I have already built up myself. I have already given a lot of time to myself, and these things do not matter to me. Let me clarify now. Let's do the clarification for my cancers, please. Cancers, mid-August 2021, 15th or 31st. Tell me more about the Seven of Wands as the obstacle for my cancers. King of Pentacles, the Sun, and the Hierophant. Yeah. You are not going to compromise, not anymore, on your beliefs. You have some beliefs, you have some thoughts, you have those things in you, and you are really stubborn in that situation. I don't see you compromising anymore, Cancer, because you want happiness now. The past is done. Whatever the situation is, it's done. I don't see a compromising Cancer over here today. No. Cancers are compromising. They are the lovers. They are always the loving ones. Those who want to give love to people. But when somebody, they are the crabs. So when the other person tries to hit them, tries to hurt them, so they just go into their shell. Okay, like a crab just moving into his shell. And that has been done. And now you are out again from your shell. But you are protective. Now you are not ready to give love to the person, but you are ready to give your love to yourself more. I'm seeing self-love here, Cancers, today. Okay, so tell me more about the Emperor energy and the overall energy for my Cancers. Two of Wands, Queen of Pentacles, and the Chariot. See, it's you over here, Cancer. You're ready to just choose one way, which way to go, this way or that way. And I think you are more into, for some of you, you might be applying for some visa, or you are traveling abroad. For some of you, you are planning to go abroad, you are planning to make some money, improving your finances. Stability is there. I am seeing your energies only, Cancer. I'm not getting other person's energy here. I don't know why. Let's see your past energies. Tell me more about the Tower energy. What exactly happened with my Cancers? Why the Tower is here? Death, Page of Wands, and Queen of Wands. Okay, so there were two people. Okay, there are always two people. So the ending was there between two of the people, between a relationship and between a commitment. Page of Wands and the Queen of Wands, I am seeing a very immature person with a mature person. With the Queen of Wands, it's really hard to cope up your, it can be a Leo or a Sagittarius, another fire sign, Sagittarius, Leo, or Aries. It's really hard to cope up with a Leo or a Sagittarius or anyone, basically a Queen of Wands energy. It's really hard to cope up with this female energy or this person, because this person is very selfish, first of all. And if you talk about the bad Queen of Wands, because Queen of Wands is very positive always, but yes, there's one negative trait, is that yes, she is she is selfish, sorry. um Immaturity I'm seeing for the Page of Wands. There are two people, one is very immature, one is mature, and that is why the coping up of the quality of two people are not matching. Okay, so this is the situation over here, what I feel. um Tell me more about the Son of Swords in the present. Why this Knight of Swords is here at present energies? Sorry. Knight of Swords, present energies. Ten of Swords, strength, and the Eight of Wands. Yeah, going through a lot of trauma, betrayals, backbiting, everything that is done from the back, and the other person just ran away from your life all of a sudden. It was really sudden, but yeah, I think that you have pulled up some strength for yourself. You are coping up with yourself, and you are wanting to continue your life the way you want now. You are not waiting for anyone over here, Cancer. Okay, tell me more about the Eight of Pentacles in the present energies for my Cancer. They are working for what? Ten of Pentacles, King of Swords, and Knight of Cups. Yeah, working for stability, financially, or we can say independently in a way, with family as well. And you're very cut to cut person now, Cancer, I'm feeling. This King of Swords is telling me that you have become a very practical person now. No, the emotions are really lost. Somebody is trying to connect to you, Cancer, right now at present, but it's like, no, I do not want it right now. I'm working on myself, I'm working with myself, so I do not want anyone's approach towards me at this moment. So let me clarify some future energies for you, Cancer. Why this Five of Swords is here? Tell me more about the Five of Swords. Four of Cups, Six of Pentacles, and Nine of Pentacles. Somebody is actually wanting to come back. Either this can be a past person, it can be somebody new. Somebody wants to be mutual with you, somebody wants to connect with you, Cancer. But the suggestion from the tarot is not to trust this personality, because with the Five of Swords as the first card, as the main card, I'm clarifying this card. So somebody is trying to approach you. It can be in the future, it can be at present only. You are already rejecting this person, or you have been rejecting this person from the past. You are trying to be alone, and that is why you are wanting this thing, because this can be a hint from the universe to be alone from this person. And that is why with the Six of Wands, this is the best decision which you can take for your life right now. Tell me more about the Son of Cups. So this is the Knight of Cups again. So yeah, the approach is already started in the present, what I'm feeling. Tell me more about the Son of Cups, please. Who is this person? Six of Swords, Ace of Wands, and Three of Pentacles. Yeah, this is a new person who has already healed, or who is actually coming towards you for some healings. This person really likes you. If this is a new person, Cancer, this person really likes you, and they really want to start a new relationship with you. They want to mend things with you. It can be a past person as well, because the mending is here, and mending is done for broken things. So that is why somebody is trying to mend the broken bond between both of you. There's some kind of healings which are coming up. So yeah, so just think who this person is, and just take the hints from the universe. Okay, so that is all from my side, my dear Cancers. I hope that helps, and we are going to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.